Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I have an awesome item for you today. It is this incredible folding mattress. It's almost Christmas time. We have a lot of guests coming, and this is incredible. You can use it so many ways. It comes packaged and all rolled up. So once you take it out of the plastic, it's sort of vacuum sealed in here. The mattress will get bigger, and it takes about 5 days for it to reach its full fluffed capacity. So I'm loving this. So it is 4 inches. It's foldable. This would be great for guests, for travel, for your yoga room, for your living room. If you are like us and we like to lay on the floor when we're watching TV, or just sit on the floor and read. It comes with this great handle. The cover is removable so that you can wash it, and the inside is memory foam. The back of this has some non-slip little grippies on it. Here I am doing my downward dog yoga. You can also lie on this. It's super comfortable. Kind of feels like a futon to me, and I am really loving it. It's 78 by 38 by 4 inches thick. You can fold it up and move it. Love this for reading. And then when you're finished, fold it up for storage. I love this. I think this would make a great gift, and it's also a great gift for you. So definitely pick one up. I highly recommend.